For this project, we will use a 5mm hook and the yarn that's suitable for 5 to 6mm hook. We will start by making a magic circle. And we will chain 3. 2, 3. Next, 2 triple crochets. One, chain 1, 3 double crochets, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 again, and 1 triple crochet. We have made now half of the heart, and we will make the other half, and we will do the work in reverse. So next we will make a chain 1 and 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Next, chain 1, then 2 triple crochets, 1 is done, another one, chain 1, and now we will slip stitch to join the work in the ring that we have made in the beginning. We will pull the yarn here and we will close the work. And this is our heart. Before starting with the second round, I will wave in my ends and I will show you how I do this. So I'm using this needle. I will go through here. And go back now. So that the yarn is secured here. I can now cut this one. And I will do the same with this one. I will go on the other side. Now that it is secured, I will cut it. And now our heart is ready for the next round. We will begin round 2. In this round we will attach the second color and we will work only on the back loops of the stitches. We'll start with the first one here and we will join the new color. And we will chain 3. In the same stitch, we will make a treble crochet. In the next stitch, a double crochet. Next stitch is this one. Make a double crochet. In the next 4 stitches, half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Remember, always only on the back loop of the stitches. Next, we will double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. In the next 5 stitches, we will make 2 double crochets in each of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In each of them, we will have 2 double crochets. Start with the first one. 1 double crochet, another one in the same stitch into the back loop. Second, third, second double crochet, fourth, second one, and the last one, the fifth. And the second double crochet in the same stitch. Next, we will make a double crochet in the next 2 stitches. 1, 2. Next, in the next 4 stitches, we will make a half double crochet. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, in the last stitch, we will make a treble crochet. This is our last stitch into the back loop. And now we will join the work by slip stitching. We will start round 2 by chaining 1, and in the next stitch we will make a single crochet, and in the next one 2 single crochets. Next, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and we will go with this pattern until the end of the round. So 1 single crochet here, in the next one 2 single crochets, 1, in the next one 1 single crochet, in the next one 2 single crochets, and 1 and 2. We will slip stitch at the beginning of the round here, and we will start next round by chaining 1. In the next stitch we will make a single crochet, in the next one another single crochet, in the next stitch we will make 2 single crochets, 1, 2, again 1 single crochet in the next one, another single crochet in the next one, and 2 single crochets in this one, and we will repeat this until the end of the round. And last iteration, 1, 1, and 2. And we will close now the work. Next, we will finish the work by slip stitching into each of our stitch. I am using a bigger hook, 7mm one, in order to have the stitches more loose. Start with the first one. Second. And now we are at the end of the round here, and we will use our second crochet to slip stitch and close the work. I have worked in the ends. Now we'll attach a tag here. And here is our project ready. Happy crochet!